Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are, depending on the time you are watching this video. I think it's time you can clap for yourself because you are the biggest support to the journey of shifting news. We adore you and we say may God bless you for always supporting us in this journey. And welcome to Shifting News, always your great channel with amazing views and wonderful videos cutting across infrastructure, development, and travel views. For those who are visiting us for the first time, this is a great family. Do us the favor, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. We are on these sides called the hub of Eastlands, that is within Kayole. Kayole has several areas including Kayole Kwadio, Masimba, Tushauriane, Matopeni, Mihango, Sabasaba, Soweto, Nyamavila, Masimba, all those and others that are have unique names. So today we enjoy a random drive along this road, the Kayole Spine Road, then we'll join the Savannah Road through Savannah area to Donholm. If you have lived in Kayole long enough or areas around Kayole, that is Umoja, we have Savannah, Dacia, you will agree with me that Forward Travelers Circle is the matatus circle that has rolled these sides for the longest time possible. We have other circles like Prime, Transcity, though with the time some of them have faced some challenges, either changed the names or just collapsed. But Forward Travelers has existed for the longest time possible and still rules. We also have others including Kani and Topmost, among others. So when you come to Kayole, especially, they say if you want to know how to train your patience and also understand to drive very well, come to Kayole. That is where you now face the reality of driving. If you're not careful, I don't know if we are supposed to say what will happen, but driving in these areas will require patience, preciseness, and also be sure that you can handle your temper, in that when something happens, you are ready to react in the most possible positive way without creating a saga. I hope you understand. Maybe one day you should come to drive along these areas. So we came from Kwadio, now we go to Nyamavila, then Masimba, B Center, Savannah, on the areas of Greenspan, and continue all the way through Harambe Sacco or Phase 8, all the way to Donholm. If you are visiting us for the first time, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. For our followers from these areas, big up to you. You can also share your experiences living in the Kayole area or the area between Kayole and Donholm. Watch the video until the end. Make sure you like. Let us interact in the comment section. Let us get your insights, your views, your requests. And whenever time allows, we will always accomplish the requests. And if you wanna wish to start your YouTube channel, if you need we can offer consultancy services. If you need a camera you need to buy, check in the link of this video. The camera that we use, it's on Amazon. You can buy it and import it here to Kenya and start your journey to content creation. Let's meet at the end of the video and also in the next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.